How to make Windows 11 faster and improve performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple ways to improve performance and reduce unnecessary background processes. First, click the search button and type Startup Apps. Open it to see the applications that start automatically when your computer turns on. Look through the list and turn off any apps you don't need to start automatically. Next, open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Review the applications on your PC and uninstall programs you no longer use. Be careful not to remove apps or components that Windows needs. Now, click Search and type Animation Effects. Open it and turn off animation effects. You can also turn off transparency effects to reduce visual effects. For the next step, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Open it and select Adjust for Best Performance. If you still want some visual features, select Custom and enable Show Thumbnails instead of icons and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Then click Apply and OK. Next, click Search and type Services. Open the Services app and look for Sysmain. Double-click Sysmain and check the startup type. If you have a specific reason to disable it, you can set the startup type to Disabled, click Stop, and then click OK. Keep in mind that disabling Windows services can sometimes affect performance, so only change the setting if you're troubleshooting a specific issue. Finally, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. And that's it.